Peace. Are you an entrepreneur who want to start a credit repair business and stop working for someone else? My name is Orell Muhammad, founder of Credit Healing, and I help entrepreneurs such as yourself start your own credit repair business, and I want to help you get your first client within the next 30 days. Now imagine what life would be like if you could fully understand the credit system, have a fully automated credit repair software that does everything for you, build a solid foundation on a real business, be able to grow your customer base, have access to expert guidance, and finally have an extra stream of income to help you achieve financial freedom. Now, would that change your life? Today is more important than ever to diversify your income streams, and with my Credit Healing Masterclass, I want to show you how to create your own credit healing agency with zero experience. The Credit Healing Masterclass will give you the tools and strategies you need to create your own credit healing agency so you can experience true freedom as an entrepreneur. This masterclass is jam-packed with expert information so any entrepreneur who wants to start a credit repair business can succeed with credit repair. But you must act on this to start or scale your credit repair agency. This is your opportunity to reach financial freedom, have control over your time and spend it with the people you love and care about, to help impact thousands of people's lives with credit repair. In the Credit Healing Masterclass, you'll get the secrets to creating your credit healing agency. Best of all, you'll get a 14-day free trial of our AI-powered credit healing software so you can easily provide solutions for your clients. If you want to be your own boss and start your own credit repair business, join the Credit Healing Masterclass and learn how to create the credit repair agency of your dreams.